So in refrigeration and air conditioning, we are going to discuss about adiabatic mixing of two air streams. And here we are having two air streams. One is having a mass m1, then enthalpy h1, then specific humidity w1. This h1 is the enthalpy of the air, m1 is the mass of air entering at 1. So similarly, mass of air entering at 2 is m2, enthalpy it is h2, enthalpy of air it is h2, w2 is the specific enthalpy, specific humidity. Similarly, when they are mixing, and now we are getting an air stream of mass m3, enthalpy h3, specific humidity w3. So m1 h1 w1, m2 h2 w2 m3 h3 w3 are discussed, specified now. Now mass balance of air, as we know, the mass entering will be equal to mass going out. So mass of air entering is m1, mass of air entering through 2 is m2. So total air entering is m1 plus m2, air going out is m3. So that is the first step. m1 plus m2 is equal to 3. m1 plus m2 is equal to m3. So equation number 1, let's take that equation number 1. Second step, the mass of vapor entering will be mass of vapor going out. So we already know specific enthalpy means it is the mass of air per kilogram, mass of vapor per kilogram of air. So W1 means mass of vapor here per kilogram of air. So total mass of vapor is W1 M1. Similarly, total mass of vapor here is W2 M2. Here it is W3 M3. So vapor entering is M1 W1 plus M2 W2, that is equal to M3 W3. That is the second equation. So that is the mass balance of this water or vapor. Now energy balance. Energy balance means the energy entering is equal to energy going out. That is M1 H1 plus M2 H2 is equal to M3 H3. So that's that from direct equation. Energy balance. Now what we will do is we will substitute this particular equation, that is M3 here. So M3 is equal to substituted as M1 plus M2, and they are rearranged. That is M1 are arranged in one side, M2 are taken to another side. At last M1 by M2 is equal to H3 minus H2 by H1 minus H3. That means here it says, here we are having the first point H1 W1, so we can plot that here. So first point, let us take W1. So W1, if we are taking that some value, and we will be having the enthalpy, so that we can plot the first point. So here let us take H1 is equal to 70, and this is H1, and W1 is equal to 0.016. So if we are taking that 0.016 and drawing a horizontal line, and H1 is equal to 70 and drawing an inclined line that is perpendicular to this enthalpy axis, we are able to plot this point. Now this point, second point, this is the first point, and the second point, or that passing through the second cross section, that is, here we have W2 as specific enthalpy. Let us take this W2 as 0.008 and H2 as 30. Then H2 from here 30, we can draw a perpendicular line. W is equal to 0.008. From we can draw a horizontal line. These two will meet here, and now we have the point 2. Now we have H1. This is H1. This is H2. Now we want to find the third point. When they are mixing, we want to find H3. So H3 can be found by this formula, because M1 we know, M1 here, if M1 is taken as 5 and M2 is taken as 2, 3, let us take M2 is taken as 3. So M1 by M2, so M1 by M2 is 5 by 3. H3 unknown, H2 and H1 are known, from which we can find H3. So now H3 is known. So from this formula it means M1 by M2 is equal to, from this formula, M1 by M2 is equal to H3 minus H2 by H1 minus H3. And the peculiarity is that H3 will be in this point. It will be somewhere here. Suppose let us take this is that point 3. So if we are drawing a perpendicular line here, we will get H3. So the peculiarity is H3 minus H2, that is this distance, divided by this distance. H3 minus H1 will be M1 by M2. So this distance by this distance will be equal to, so the ratio of these two distances is equal to M1 by M2. So if we know M1 and M2, directly by using just a scale, we can find this length and we can plot in this graph, and directly we are able to obtain this point. So that will be in the line joining 1 and 2. So now we have the third point. So before mixing we have two states, and after mixing we have the third state, and that third state is obtained now. Other all available quantity, that is from dry bulb, wet bulb, etc. These all can be obtained from this psychometric chart. So a psychometric chart and the equation M1 by M2 is equal to H3 minus H2 by H1 minus H3 can be used prejudicially such that we are able to obtain this all the state of that third point after mixing. The state can be obtained by using this formula and using a psychometric chart. So that's about adiabatic mixing of two airstreams. Thank you.